Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe at home. Today, we will start our new chapter of biology, that is chapter 9, Heredity and Evolution. As you all know that CBSE has deleted some of the syllabus, so the topic evolution has been deleted from this chapter and you have to do only heredity. Now, this heredity basically deals with the genetics. So, to understand the genetics, you must be familiar with the certain terms that are used in the genetics. This will help you in better understanding of this chapter. To start with, first of all, let's define genetics. Genetics is the branch of biology that study heredity. The heredity basically looks at the traits or the characteristics that are passed from the parents to the offspring. You all know that we look similar to our parents in certain aspects. We have the same body design as our parents. This is because of this inheritance. In this picture, you can see a monkey and its offspring. The offspring look almost similar to the monkey parent because it has inherited certain genes from their parents. Now, the next term is the gene. Gene is the set of the instructions that determine the traits of an organism. You all have studied that the cell contains the nucleus, and inside the nucleus there are chromosomes. These chromosomes are made up of DNA. A functional segment of the DNA is known as the gene, and these genes, they carry the set of instructions that determine the traits or characteristics of an organism. So the characters are passed on from parents to the offsprings through these genes. Now let us see the genetics of the human cell. The human body cell has 46 chromosomes. Each chromosome exists in pair, so each chromosome has a twin. Now a person inherit one chromosome from the mother and the other chromosome from the father. The chromosome that is inherited from the mother is known as maternal chromosome, while the chromosome that is inherited from the father is known as the paternal chromosomes. The two matching chromosomes, that is the two similar chromosomes, are known as the homologous chromosomes. So here homo means the same and logos means the shape. The two chromosomes which are similar in the shape as well as in same in the size are known as the homologous chromosomes. Each homologous chromosome carries the same sequence of the genes controlling the same inherited characters. Next term is the allele. Alleles are the two alternating or different forms of a gene. The homologous chromosomes can carry the same allele or a different one. In this picture, you can see the allele for the flower color. So, the chromosomes are the chromosome of a plant cell, and this homologous chromosome in which the one chromosome is carrying the allele for the purple flower and the other chromosome is carrying the allele for the white flower. This means this homologous pair is carrying the alleles that are different one. Next term is the dominant and the recessive allele. Now sometimes what happen, one allele masks or suppress the expression of other allele. The allele that is expressed is known as the dominant allele, while the allele that is masked or covered is known as the recessive allele. So it can be cleared with the example of the earlobe. The earlobe is expressed by the two allele, that is the capital F and the small f. Capital F is the dominant allele while small f is the recessive allele. Capital F codes for the free earlobe while small f codes for the fused earlobe. So if a person has both the dominant allele for the earlobe, it will have the free earlobe, and if it inherit both the alleles for the recessive character, then it will have the fused earlobe. Now the third condition, is that a person is having both the allele, that is the one dominant and one recessive, that means capital F and small f both. In this case, as you can see that capital F is the dominant allele, it will express itself and the person will have the free earlobe. Next terms are phenotype and genotype. Phenotypes is an observable trait of an organism, or you can say it is the physical appearance of an organism. So you can see here that the two types of the moths are present, that is the dark color moth and a white color moth. So this is the physical appearance, this means the color of the moth. This is the phenotype of the moth, that is the dark colored moth and the white colored moth. Second is the genotype. Genotype is the genetic makeup, or it is a combination of the alleles of an organism. So if the allele for the color of skin for the color of the moth is dominant, it will have the dark color, and if it is recessive, then the moths will be of white color. So an organism genotype codes for its phenotype. Genotypes may be homozygous or heterozygous. If a person inherits two of the same alleles from his parents, then this condition is known as homozygous, and if the person inherits two different alleles for a same trait, then this condition is known as the heterozygous condition. As you have seen in the previous slide, that the earlobe has two types of alleles, capital F and small f. If the person is having both the dominant allele, that is capital F, or both the recessive allele, that is small f, this condition is known as the homozygous condition. And if the person inherit one dominant and one recessive, that is capital F and the small f condition, then it is known as the homozygous condition. Now the last is understanding genes and the role of chromosomes in inheritance is essential to the study of genetics and understanding how traits are inherited from one generation to another.